Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to be looking at this application which I was working on, and it is called Chat with Wikipedia application. Now, from the name itself, the functionality should be quite clear. The idea is that for any Wikipedia page, we should be able to ask questions on that. So that was the idea. So let me go to the interface. So basically interface is like this, where I can input the title of the Wikipedia page, and then based on that I can ask questions. So the moment I hit this chat with Wikipedia button, I will be displayed the chat interface, and then I can ask questions based on that. So first of all, we need to decide on which Wikipedia page we are going to be asking a question. Now let's try to take a very recent page, because a recent page is something that might not be covered with the Gemini API which is used in the backend. So I'll try to maybe say Netflix series 2024, or maybe October. Okay, so October is the month right now that is going. So I'll try to search one. Okay, making it in Marvella. Okay, let's try to search whether we have got a Wikipedia page on this name, and then I can probably search this one as well. Yes, so let's see. I don't think we have a Wikipedia page corresponding to this. Let me. Okay, so let me try to search Wikipedia, or let's try to search some maybe Netflix series. Said there is a series called One Piece, I guess, which recently came in Netflix 2023. Let's see if we have got Wikipedia. Yeah. So yes, so I'll try to search this particular page using the, although I have tested it with two Wikipedia pages, but I think those are very common to answer. So that's why, to make sure this is working, I'll try to search it using this. Okay. So first of all, I will hit get chat with Wikipedia. So if I hit this, so I'll get this interface, and the moment I get interface, I see that we have also able to extract these text. Now we can ask questions on this. Maybe when is the next season coming? Maybe this part is covered in the Wikipedia. Let's see. So it's saying the second season of One Piece is expected to premiere approximate. So now this is information which is very new. It is not something which can be covered by GPTs. So that's why I'm trying to showcase this to you, and we can ask some other questions as well. Let's try to see. Uh, Emily Rood. Okay. So what role was played by Emily Rood? So let's try to ask this. It says place Nami in the live action adaptation of One Piece. Okay, all right. So I think now we can maybe go to another Wikipedia page and try to search some other series. Maybe 1 second. Let me. So you get the idea, right? So let me try to maybe I'll say Netflix, or maybe since this is going to be a educational application, what we could do is we could probably ask questions based off a educational topic. Let's try to search for statistics, or maybe large language models. And I think I could probably extend this application to be able to ask question for any website whatsoever by just entering the URL. That is something which we can possibly do and extend this to cover that, right? So yeah, so let's pick up this particular page and let's try to enter this chat with Wiki. And let me now go back to the page and let's try to ask some question which came very easy. So as of 2024, what is which is the state space model? Let's try to ask this question. Yeah, so it is saying as of 2024 Mamba is the state space model, and we could see that this is also covered in this particular um Wikipedia page. Okay, so this is something which I had to demo, and now I could probably look at this Wikipedia page which contains all the code that was used to create this. Now one thing that I would like to highlight here is that if I click on this API key, I have left this blank because this should be replaced by your own Gemini API key. Okay, so two major APIs which were used to create this application were Wikipedia API first, and second was Gemini API. Okay, Wikipedia API was used to extract the content of a Wikipedia page, and Gemini was used to provide that context. The context was provided as in the form of text that was extracted from Wikipedia. Okay, so try to play around with this code and try to create something on your own. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.